Hi there, welcome to my video, just chatting about Burberry trench coat alterations. Gentleman's brought this into us after not being able to find a tailor where he lives locally to get it altered. He'd heard about us online and he wanted to get the sleeves shortened on his Burberry trench coat, and he wanted the body taken in slightly there on the side seams. You can see from the label, I think it's a more modern one. I don't think it's an old vintage one by the look of it. I think it's a more modern one. But basically what we are going to be doing is we're going to be shortening the sleeves, and where some tailors get a bit nervous about working on these is the loops need to come off. Very, very carefully removed. We shorten the cuff, refinish it with a stitch finish as they've done at the factory. And also, obviously, what we need to do is we need to remove all these loops very, very carefully, and then we need to add them back up the sleeve in ratio to how much it's been shortened. So it's been shortened by a couple of inches, and then obviously needs refinishing off. If we go back around to the rear again, you do have two loops for your mid-waist belt. They need to come off. We need to do the taking side seams work, stripping it down properly and everything, and then obviously the loops need to go back on again, and obviously in the same location as what the manufacturer has done. So if you've got any Burberry trench coats or any trench coats in general that need some alterations, drop me a DM for your Instagram, or if you want to email me, it's michael@jamespersonaltailor.co.uk. You can drop me an email with any inquiries, alterations that you may need to your trench coat or outerwear. Obviously we do suit alterations and whatnot as well, so drop me an email and I will gladly give you a quote or any pointers and any work that you may require needs doing. So get in touch. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I will try my best to remember to do a after video of once this has been done, just so you can see the after work. If you're nervous about getting your Burberry trench coat altered, we do get quite a few of these in. Obviously they are very expensive, new from Burberry. I think they're well over £1,000. Second hand, you can pick them up. You can get the odd bargain from vintage stores and eBay and the like. So, and then obviously sometimes when you get them delivered, they're a bit bigger or a bit longer in the sleeves and whatnot. So you may need some alterations doing, like what we've just been talking about here. But don't fear, they can definitely be altered. Obviously just take them to a skilled tailor to do these alterations, to be done in the proper manner with the correct stitching and the correct finishing. The last thing you would want to do is, say for example, take it to a tailor and him just finish it with the loops right on the cuff. It'd look absolutely horrendous. It'd look really poor work. So yeah, just a few tidbits. Just make sure you go to a properly skilled tailor who's had some knowledge of working on trench coats and the like. So there you have it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you found the video informative, and if you want to get in touch, drop me an email or give me a call, and I will happily give you some advice. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.